Hi everyone, Cheryl here from Love and Light Yoga, and thank you for joining me tonight for this super quick pre-bedtime yoga stretch. So this is going to help us slow the breath and slow the body, which hopefully will aid us towards a nice restful night's sleep. So you can do this from your mat or in your bed. So whenever you are ready, let's begin. Okay, so let's begin by meeting in a nice, easy, comfortable seated position. I'm going to be cross-legged. You can be whichever position feels right for you. And let's just start by taking a few big rolls through the shoulders. So starting to take the shoulders all the way up towards the ears and then bringing the shoulder blades together at the back as we come down and around. And maybe we close down the eyes here. Starting to slow the breath down, slowing this movement down, sending our awareness internally, sitting up nice and tall through the back, relaxing all the muscles in the face, and taking a few more big rolls through the shoulders. And then eventually coming back to center, back to stillness. We can either keep the eyes closed or we can gently open the eyes back up as we inhale to reach the hands all the way up to the sky and exhale the hands down through heart center. Nice, and again take one more just like that, a big inhale to reach it up, and exhale, bring the hands through center. From here, we plant the left hand onto the mat and inhale to reach the right hand up and over. And just hold it here for a few deep breaths. Keeping the sit bones grounded, keeping the chest open. Focusing on slowing that breath all the way down. You take one more full breath here. And then gently come all the way up, switch to the other side. So plant the right hand as we reach the left hand up and over. Again, the sit bones are grounded, the chest is open, we're breathing deeply here. We take one more big inhale and exhale. And then come all the way up to center, drop the hands, and then go ahead and tuck the chin in towards the chest. Maybe we find a few little half neck circles here, just rocking one ear to one shoulder, and then coming across to the other side. Keeping the shoulders relaxed and soft. Letting the head feel heavy here. Working out any little knots of tension in the neck, any stress that we've gathered up throughout the day. Maybe we take one more little rock each side, and then eventually come back to center, pick the gaze up. We can open the eyes if they are closed, and then nice and slowly meet me on your back. So come nice and slowly all the way down to your back. When we get there, we bring the knees in towards the chest. And maybe we give ourselves a little hug here by lifting the head and the shoulders, tucking yourself into a little tiny ball just for one full breath. And then release the shoulders, release the head back to your mat, and just take a little rock side to side here. And just massaging out the lower back. And if this feels good, maybe we stick with this movement. Or maybe we come back to center and we find our happy baby. So we flex the feet here. We can reach either behind the knees, maybe towards the ankles or the sides of the feet. And we open the legs, draw the knees down towards the armpits. And take a few deep breaths here in your happy baby. feeling that nice release for the hips and the thighs and the lower back. And maybe we take a little rock side to side. And then begin to focus on slowing this breath, slowing this movement. And then eventually coming back to center, releasing out of your happy baby, bringing the soles of the feet together, feet come back to the floor, and let the knees open out towards the sides. Bring the hands onto the belly, close the eyes, and in your own time take 3 deep breaths, 3 of the deepest breaths that you have taken all day. And after your 3rd exhale, maybe we stay here for as long as we need, or maybe we begin to think about bringing ourselves maybe onto one side and then eventually up and into a comfortable seated position on our mats. And thank you so much for practicing with me tonight. I hope you feel good and rested and ready to go about the rest of your nighttime routine. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you would like to see more like this, please subscribe, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your night. Namaste.